Relationship between two variables are called correlation. Measuring the degree of relationship between the two variables are called correlation coefficient. We are calculating correlation coefficient by scattered diagram or Carl-Pearson method and Spearman rank correlation coefficient method. Today we are going to see about Spearman rank correlation coefficient. It is a method of finding the correlation between two variables by taking their ranks. This method of finding correlation is especially useful in dealing with qualitative data like characters, attributes, likewise. It is denoted by P, that is a rho. Spearman rank correlation coefficients used in two cases for calculating rank correlation. There is no tie or there is a tie. No tie means there is a no two equal ranks. There is a tie means there is a two person having same rank. Example, second rank is getting by two students. Likewise, there is called there is a tie or there is no tie method. Spearman rank correlation with no tie. There is a no repeating the ranks. So method for calculating this correlation coefficient by Spearman rank is give the rank 1 to the highest value, rank 2 to the next and so on. Rank X series value and Y series value separately. Calculate the difference of rank in each pair of value, that is called small letter d. That means Rx minus Ry. Rx means that is a rank of X series, Ry means rank of Y series. And calculate summation of d square. And formula for this Spearman rank correlation with no tie is rho equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1 or n cube minus 1. So this is the problem. Find the rank correlation of following data of marks of two subjects of nursing, 7 nursing students. Pediatric nursing and OBG nursing. Marks of pediatric nursing is X and OBG nursing is Y. So pediatric nursing marks are 9, 90, 82, 81, 71, 63, 49 and 38. OBG nursing by 7 students are 75, 71, 72, 70, 40, 50 and 43. So first we have to find Rx, I mean rank of X. So this is the X value, the pediatric nursing marks. So 90 is the first rank, 82 is the second rank, 81 third rank, 71 fourth rank, 63 fifth rank, 49 sixth rank, 38 seventh rank. There is no change in order. The values are given as per the rank. See the Y, that is a 75, 71, 72, 70, 40, 50 and 43. The ranks are shuffling. So we have to give a rank. 75 first rank. Then next value 72. So 72 is the second rank. Next 71 third rank. Then fourth rank is 70. Fifth rank 50. And sixth rank 43 and seventh rank 70. So this is the rank of Y. So find the difference between X minus Y rank values. I mean D equal to Rx minus Ry. So Rx 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 4 0, 5 minus 7 minus 2, 6 minus 5 1, 7 minus 6 1. So D. Now we have to find the D square. 0 square 0, minus 1 square plus 1, 1 square 1, 0 square 0, minus 2 square 4 and 1 square 1 and 1 square 1. Sigma D square is 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. So sigma D square is 8. So formula is rho equal to 1 minus sigma 6 sigma d square divided by n into n square minus 1 or n cube minus 1. So 1 6 sigma d square is 8, so equal to 48. N is means that is a number of students, 7 students. So 7 into n square 49 minus 1. So 7 into 48. So value is 48 minus 336. So 1 minus 0.14 equal to 0.86. So inference, marks of pediatric and OBG nursing subjects are somewhat correlated. Then if 1, it is perfect correlated. If it is in the minus value, there is a no correlated between the subjects. These are the inference. And second problem is with tie. That is two students having same ranks. In case of one or more value in X or Y series are repeated, we have to apply the correction factor, CF. That means CF equal to the formula for correction factor, M into M square minus Y 11. So M is the number of repetition of rank. So this is the formula. This is the problem. Two teachers rank 5 diploma in nursing students based on their intelligence, and the data is given below. So teacher 1 gives for first student 5th rank, 4th rank 2.5 and 1 and 2.5. Teacher 2 5 4 second rank, 3rd rank, 1st rank. Do you agree that two teachers have same degree of agreement on judging the student based on intelligence? This is the questions. See, there is a no value here. The teachers already gave the rank. So it is noted that rank of intelligence is given. So re-ranking the value is not required. Rank given by first teacher is considered as RX. So this is the RX. So because the problem is teachers ranking the 5 diploma nursing students. So rank given by first teacher is considered RX, and rank given by second teacher is considered by RY. Here the rank in X series value 2.5 is repeating twice. So 2.5 repeating twice. So third person and fifth person is getting 2.5 rank. There is no repeating in second teacher ranking. So here the rank in the X series 2 repeating in twice. So correction factor to be calculated, M into M square minus 1 by 11. So 2. So 2 times repeated, 2 into 2 square, 4 minus 1 by 11. I mean 3, 6 by 11. So 0.5 is the correction factor. So formula for Spearman rank correlation with the tie is rho 1 minus 6 sigma d square plus correction factor. You have to add this 0.5 with this value. So n into n square minus 1 as usual. So Rx 5th rank, Ry 5th rank. So Rx minus d is 0, 0, 0.5 minus 2, 1.5. Then d square 0, 0, 0.25 plus 4, 1.5 square, 2.25. So total value is 6.5. For 6.5 sigma d square. So calculation we have to add correction factor. Already we have found that correction factor is 0.5. So 1 minus 6 into 6.5. Sigma d square is sigma, not sigma d square. Sigma d square 6.5 and correction factor is 0.5 divided by total numbers 5 students. So 5 into 25 minus 1. So 1 minus 42 by 120 equal to 0.35. So 0.065. Inference. If both teachers have high degree of agreement about intelligence, the Spearman rank correlation coefficient is greater than 1. Here that is a less than 1. 0.5 is the less than 1. Hence the both teachers have different agreement and assessment of IQ. This is the solution for that problem. So I hope this session useful to understand regarding Spearman rank correlation calculation.